got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. In this video, you guys will see that it is jam-packed with a bunch of fun-filled things to end off my last day at work today. So on Wednesday, we have our festive holiday dress up. So you guys are gonna get ready with me to see exactly what I'm putting on for the holiday festive dress up day. And then Thursday is our pajama day. We have a little bit of hot chocolate at work. And then we also are going to be building gingerbread houses with kindergarten. And I need to give out my gifts to my coworkers. And so I want you guys to see what gifts I give them. And then today was our Christmas party. And so I'm gonna be getting ready for that. You guys will see that in this video. Meanwhile, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any more content. Okay, so we're gonna get ready to watch a new show that just came on Prime. It is called Dr. Seuss Baking Challenge. I thought that this would be really cute for me and the kiddos to just pop some popcorn, lay back and chill, and basically watch it, at least one episode, and then I'll get them down for bed and ready for what beholds tomorrow. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this popcorn going and this show going, and I'm definitely gonna give you guys my honest opinion at the end of episode 1.
Wait, this is the baby shoe?
All right, we're ready to watch it.
Listen up, look alive. Here's the plot of our show. We gathered some bakers, the finest we know. Look up.
Only your face, girl.
Then we...
So I'm already gonna go ahead and give this show its first star from me out of 5 because Tamara Mowry is the is the host of this baking show, and I've always enjoyed watching her since she was on Sister. So for festive day, we got to pick out headbands to go along with our outfits. I have my coat zipped up mostly. So this is my festive wear. Hopefully I can show you guys. So have the gingerbread leggings and a headband. So we did a gift card raffle where all of the teachers entered their name yesterday. So therefore on the announcements this morning, it was about 20 people that were given gift cards, and at the end of the raffle I won. So I just have to see what gift card I get. I just have to go up later and get that. But anyways, let's see what pajama day holds for us, because I got some really cute pajamas, y'all. Bought them from Walmart and I can't wait to wear them tomorrow. Okay, so after evaluating what gifts go where, finally I've realized that I forgot all about my secret pal. So for my coworker that I work under, I got her this cute little blanket, this cup, and then I got her the Bath and Body Works 3 And then I did get her a wall plug-in. This one I feel like it lights up. It just doesn't say. And you can twist it if you need to. And I'm gonna put a Christmas plug-in in here. And then she also, I'm also thinking about taking these out because these are fallish. You know, we don't want to do that. So I need to get a wall plug-in put in here. This is for the coworker I work very closely with. And then my kindergarten coworker, no, that's for my mom, y'all. That's for my mom. My kindergarten coworker. Oh, look, y'all, it's still sitting in here. So my kindergarten coworker, who is the closest that I'm with, I got her this because this is as close to the one that we seen at Starbucks, which was like 30 bucks. It was only 6 from Walmart. And then I did get her the salted caramel syrup. And then I also got her this golden citrus and vanilla. This one I did buy back in the fall, but hey, it's not fallish. And this one, yeah, okay, so this one lights up 24/7. So this is the one that she's gonna have to take out the wall like we do. But I did get her this, and I'm gonna put a wall plug-in in her bag. Got her some tape that she could easily put something on, and then these cute little rainbow sugar scrub that she can, you know, she can use to scrub her body with. I know they probably smell really good, so I bought myself some too. But anyways, yeah, they're just both missing a wall plug-in. Okay, so they are put in here. I did put in under the Christmas tree, and then the other one is winter, so they are done. That's their gift. So I'm gonna go ahead and staple it up the best of my ability, so that I can take it in tomorrow. So what is that?
It's seaweed.
Okay, so Skylar's trying seaweed for the first time. Crunchy, sounds like. You don't like it? You don't like it? Alright, so we're gonna get Cam to try a piece of seaweed for the first time too. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
It's so good.
Not just a corner piece. You trying to take the easy way out. What's your thoughts, young man?
Nothing.
You like it?
No.
Alright, so I'm here at Starbucks getting Skylar's teacher a gift card because I, as a teacher, forgot to meet the deadline to send in money through Venmo to contribute towards her teacher gift. But I don't really like doing those things. I really like doing them myself because I just like, you know, to give a gift from her and myself, like, separately. But anyways, I'm gonna get her a gift card to Starbucks so that she can, you know, start being late to work in the mornings from getting Starbucks. And I am here pulling into the parking lot. Last day of Spirit Day. Gotta do my hair, but it's blue and yellow today for our school colors. Okay, don't feel like really doing my hair this morning. Okay guys, so just got me some Starbucks. Let's turn this Christmas music down for sure. Y'all, let me tell y'all about this really good cheese Danish that they have out at Christmas time. So, y'all, this is the sugar plum cheese Danish. But anyways, I got 2 of those because I have to be outside this morning. I'm gonna eat that while I'm outside. I got myself the sugar cookie almond latte, and then yeah. So yeah, today is our last day before break, and I almost forgot the gifts at home. I just let them just let them sit there. But anyways, I got them. They are. Totally forgot. So the way that our day is going to look really quickly is that we're going to do play. We're going to watch like a video on Amazon Prime. We will also be just doing some other fun stuff too. So we'll have lunch, we'll have music, and from there the day is gonna go really smooth. We're not doing anything out of the ordinary or anything like that. We have school-wide morning meeting this morning, and it is really cold out here, so hopefully this does not take a long time. So yeah, we shall see how the day goes. Christmas party is this afternoon, so I'll be leaving to go to that around 5:45. So yeah, you guys will see that in this vlog too. Nothing on that I major. Our morning meeting
Is being able to find the
okay, my day is over. The kids are gone. They are on break, and guess what? I'm officially on break. So now I am about to head off, and I need to go home and make these sugar and spice muffins for the party tonight. Hopefully, I was about to hit a car, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go home, make these sugar and spice muffins, and I'm gonna take those with me, and then I'll stop and get a bottle of wine to take with me, because it is bring your own stuff. So this is the gift that I got from my coworker that I work under. She gave me a tree with different gift cards on it from Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, and Bodo's, as well as a Michael's gift card. And so these are the gift cards that I got. I also got a $25 check, which I didn't think we wrote checks anymore, but one of my students' family did. I also got a $25 gift card from one of my coworkers for helping out in the evening. So here's our boxes. This one is from last year. The newer one is on the left. I'm still going to use both boxes tonight because they are still in good date. So one is for March 2023 and the other one is for March 2024. Okay, so I have to get ready for the Christmas party. I'm going to be making something. So I am making these. Let's just jump right into the recipe, y'all. Okay, so the box called for me to empty this into a bowl and keep half a cup in another bowl and to put the oven on 350. So I took out half a cup and put it into another bowl. I did 2/3 cup of warm water and put it in here, along with 1 egg and half a cup of vegetable oil. Once I added in the vegetable oil, I went ahead and mixed everything up. And separately, in the other bowl with the half cup of the mix, you are going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then you're also going to add in the 1 tablespoon of melted butter. So I went ahead and grabbed out all of my cupcake liners and my cupcake holders, and I went ahead and got that prepared and ready. I went ahead and put my 2 tablespoons of sugar into this mix, and I also went ahead and melted the butter, but I accidentally melted too much. So I just measured out 1 tablespoon of the melted butter, and then I went ahead and just filled the cupcake liners up with the mixture. So for the mixture, it was to fill it up at least 2/3 full. I went ahead and got ready to get these loaded into the oven. on 350 for 22 to 26 minutes. So I just did about 23. I went ahead and started making the crumble that needed to go on top. This is something that goes on top before they go into the oven, but you can start baking your cupcakes or your muffins, if that's what you want to call it, before you do put this in. That way it gives it a couple of minutes to set. But they did a great job with setting, even though I had already used about 4 minutes with these muffins being in the oven. So you just want to add about 1 tablespoon of the streusel mix on top of each one. So I just went ahead and measured out the best way that I could, because it seemed like it was too much for these muffins. So once they came out of the oven, this is what they look like. They definitely turned out really good. I want to wait on it to cool down to give it a try. Okay, so I am officially on my way to the Christmas party, but first I had to stop by work.
To have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
So I thought that I left a Boto's gift card here because it was not on my tree when I got home from work. Whatever, I'm gonna get ready to go to this Christmas party. I need to get ready to get some gas real quick and some wine. So it's like really dark out here. You can't see anything, but I'm parked all the way back there, and this is the house. Okay, this is the house.
You are Jersey Drew. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Okay, y'all, over and done with the Christmas party. Had quite a few drinks, 2 or 3 plates. Yeah, I'm ready to go home, chill, relax. So this vlog is coming out late. But anyways, I hope that you guys stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 17. Lord only knows what I have planned for tomorrow. But yeah, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.